ago, Percy played a ghostly trick on Thomas. He crashed into a cart of lime and traumatised Thomas with the belief that he was a ghost. For many years, Thomas has dreamed of getting back at Percy. One evening, Thomas, Percy and Toby were alone at the Superstation sheds when the Fat Controller walked up.
Good evening, you three. I have a very important job for you. You are to go to the mill and collect some trucks of flour. Then you will deliver them to the station, and Lorry 1 will take them from there to the market.
Yes, sir.
Of course, sir.
The three engines hurried off to the yard. The trucks were all ready to be taken to the station.
Thomas, does this night remind you of the night I pretended to be a ghost?
You ask me that almost every night, Percy.
I guess I do.
Just then, a yardmaster walked up.
Bertie has broken down at the level crossing. You'll have to wait here for a few hours before Butch can tow him away.
So, what shall we do with our spare time?
I say we tell some spooky stories. Well, once upon a time...
Actually, Percy, I've got the perfect spooky story.
Oh, really? Well, please, tell me.
On my old line at Brighton, there was an E2 tank engine. His name was Ralph. Ralph was a kind-hearted engine, smart and funny. The poor engine was also very reckless. It wasn't his fault. He had puffing problems. One day he was pulling a truck. Not really much to it, just a simple truck. When his brakes gave away, he roared down the tracks until he slammed into the sheds with such force the whole building collapsed. I was one of the lucky ones that wasn't there at the time. Ralph and the two other E2s were damaged beyond repair and scrapped. Even after death, Ralph's guilt consumed him. He watched the E2s as they slowly became extinct. Now he searches for the sole survivor in hopes of making amends and being at peace.
But Thomas, you're the only E2 left. Meaning
That he may visit us tonight.
Percy was beginning to feel quite nervous, but he quickly stopped thinking about it. Just then, the yardmaster arrived again.
Bertie's been told. You three may go now.
The engines chuffed quickly away. Soon, they made their way towards the station.
I'm so happy we're finally here. Oh, I need a rest.
But as Percy puffed into the station, Lorry 1 rolled onto the track in front of Thomas.
Lorry 1, get out of the way!
Lorry 1 tried to move off the track, but it was too late. Thomas smashed into him and his truck jerked into the back of Thomas, causing the flour to spill all over him.
You idiot. Look what you've done.
What I've done? You're the one who rolled onto the tracks with a train coming.
Typical of engines. Always coming up with excuses instead of admitting that we're better.
And Lorry 1 rolled away. Thomas was moved onto a siding out of the way so he could be cleaned.
Are you alright, Thomas?
Oh, I'm better than alright. I think I finally found a way to pay Percy out.
He told Toby the plan. Toby chuckled.
I enjoyed it just as much the first time, so count me in.
The workmen agreed not to clean Thomas. When Thomas and Toby finally arrived at the station to deliver their flour, Percy had gone.
Well, Toby, you know what to do.
Yep, I do.
Toby puffed off and found Percy back in the shed.
Hello, Toby. Where's Thomas? He should be here by now.
Thomas is an accident.
Is he all right?
I don't know, Percy, but I heard him talking to someone.
Talking to someone?
Yes, someone called Ralph.
Ralph?
Just then, a ghostly whistle sounded.
Are you a friend of Thomas?
Thomas? Never heard of him.
I don't believe you. Let me in, so I may talk to Thomas.
No, we won't let you in.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll break your door in.
Well, it's been very nice meeting you, Ralph. I have to go now. Goodbye.
And Percy raced out of the shed as fast as his wheels could carry him.
Well, it'll be a while before he catches on, won't it?
Oh, it certainly will be. I think we're even now, Percy. You know, Toby, It's sad, but the story of Ralph is true. Just not the ghost bit.